Good afternoon. It's not your average police bust. Albuquerque Police Chief Ray Schultz helped catch a couple of suspected car thieves this morning. And that is copper thieves this morning. News 13's Scott Daniels is here to tell us how that all came down.
Diane and Deanna, Chief Schultz was getting ready to go for a jog when he heard a call on his scanner. He decided to respond. The call was describing two suspects driving around northeast Albuquerque in a pickup truck stealing copper. The chief got in his patrol unit and found their truck that had been broken down at San Francisco and San Pedro. He called for backup and officers arrived and arrested Jason Lujan and Richard Turman. Inside the truck, police found copper wiring and tools for turning off electricity. Police say the two stole copper from a dry cleaners and a nearby strip mall at Wyoming and San Antonio. Investigators say the damage to the strip mall that they caused far exceeds the value of the copper they allegedly stole. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Scott. Both men have long criminal histories, including arrests for drug offenses and theft. They were arrested separately a couple of weeks ago on the same day.